All right. Hello, my fellow investors. It's the Intelligent Investor here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Chevron. I'm going to be doing a quick stock analysis on that. But before we start the video, guys, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. Now, once you sign up with Acorns, you're going to be entered to win this free stock, which is Microsoft. It's $255 stock. The way you're going to get it is either I'm going to be transferring it to you and you can claim it, or you can actually purchase it and I'll refund you the money for that purchase. Also, guys, once we hit 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, each time I hit that goal, I'm going to be doing an Apple stock giveaway. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and constantly going to be doing those stock giveaways. So it's a way I'm giving back to my community that's actually following me and helping me with this channel. So let's start with the video. What is my stock analysis on Chevron? What do I think about Chevron? Now, for me, I currently own 11, about 11 shares. My average cost is 92.73. So I jumped into it right before Warren Buffett did, and the stock kind of blew up. So what do I do here? I mean, I have a daily reoccurring investment of $3. So every day I'm investing $3. For the week is $15. And why am I doing that? Because I do believe in this stock a lot. Now, a lot of people are so stuck and lost in the EV sector that they don't think about oil stocks. Now, oil stocks are actually really, really good, guys, because they're the main energy that we have. Um, Gas and oil is still the energy we use. And it's going to be like that for at least the next 30 to 50 years. Okay. This process is going to take a while for it to change. And again, these companies are still going to be giants. Nothing is going to happen to them yet. I think eventually they're going to get innovative and actually transfer the way they do energy. But at the moment, they're still going to dominate. I mean, we're not going to transition right away. It's going to take time before we actually become fully electric. It's a long process, guys. We're not just going to shut it down one day and then it'll change the next. So Chevron is still going to be doing good. And honestly, guys, it has a 5% dividend yield. That is completely insane, guys. They do pay $1.12 every quarter. Um, and honestly, no, $1.90. Sorry. Yeah. So, no, wait. It's $1.12. Sorry about that. So, I mean, honestly, it's a great company, guys. I've completely loved it. So far, it's had so much growth for me. I mean, my returns have actually been pretty decent, a 12% return. I used to have a higher return back when the stock was at like 111. So I mean, it did have a good little drop just because of the news it had, but I don't care. I don't pay attention to those little things. I mean, I'm looking at it long term. And right now, at this price, to have that high dividend yield, honestly, it's a steal, guys. It's honestly a steal. There's a reason why I own it. You get me? I do extensive research in these companies before I jump into them. Now, by any means, I'm not telling you to jump into this company. I'm not giving you financial advice here. I'm just giving you my thoughts and opinions and why I do these trades. So, coming back to this, like I said, I mean, as you look at the 5-year plan, it had a good momentum here. I mean, its highest point was back at 2018 at 133. I mean, it was kind of stabilized around there for the next few years, and it had a huge drop back in the pandemic when oil prices were just tanking. Now, that was one of the best times to buy because around $60, that was an insane steal. Since then, it's had so much growth. It's had about 100% return growth. So wow, it's actually grown more than a lot of the EV companies that are out there right now at the moment. So as you see, gas and oil is not going anywhere. It's going to be there for the long term. And again, like I said, it's something that you guys should look into. Now, Chevron has a good growth and they pay a great dividend. So the thing that I do here is invest safer money. Let's say I have, like I said, I have an equity of $1,200. For me, I know that this stock is going to stay around that equity between 1,000 to 1,500 in the next year or so, and I'm going to be getting dividends in return. So I'm waiting for the moment for it to drop a bit more. Once it hits over 100, I mean under 100, then that's where I'm going to dump a lot of money in. I made that mistake of just buying 10 shares at that moment, but I'm going to buy a lot more. I'm going to diversify this into something big. I'm going to create a huge equity in the Chevron stock. So, I mean, I have really, really high hopes for it. I mean, like I said, I'm a big investor in this, and will be pushing it hard just because I do believe of what they're going to do. Again, as you see, it was founded in 1906. Um, Average volume is pretty small. It's not that big, but the market cap is insanely huge. So that's one thing you guys have to understand. I mean, like I said, it's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. People think it is because holy EV is coming in, but it's not going to happen, especially not this not this decade. Um Things are going to change, but just not anytime soon. As you see the ratings here with how many analysts is about 30 analysts, 60% say hold, 40%, I mean 40% say hold and 60% say buy. Its fair value, it's at 115. Economic mode is narrow, uncertainty is high. So, as you see here, I mean, they've constantly done well. This is the bad moment they've had, but they've recovered a bit since. They will be recovering soon. Again, that dividend is going to maintain up there. They will be increasing their dividends. So, again, having a company like this is just really, really great, guys. I have just so much hype for this. And again, I'll be entering this company pretty heavily. Like I said, I'll probably keep it for the next 10, 15 years, and then we'll see what happens then. And after that, then I'll probably transfer it somewhere else if I need to. If not, I'm going to keep it more and more long term, depending what they end up doing with the company. But I think it's still bullish for these next 10 years. So, like I said, guys, Chevron, check it out. Do a little bit of research before you jump into it. You can check its reports and stuff like that if you guys need to. For me, I do have Robinhood Gold, so I kind of just look at some of the reports here. I guess it's not showing me here. Um, so let's try it again. Yeah, I guess they don't have it here, but I have my own other platforms where I do this research. So I mean, I'm cool with it. But like I said, I mean, I'm buying daily investments. I do not regret it. I'm gonna constantly keep pushing to buy this stock, and I'll know that I'll be good for the future with this one. So Chevron overall, for me, it's a 4 out of 5 stars. Um, I feel like it's going to have good growth within the next few years. And with that dividend, honestly, it's a monster. 5% yield for a price this good. I mean, you can't beat it, and I understand it's at $100, and people sometimes don't want to buy these high shared price stocks because, they buy less of them and they think the growth is not going to be that great. But I mean, Chevron will have good growth. Investing $1,000 at least in Chevron isn't bad. It'll give you good returns and good growth for this next year or so. So I don't think it's a bad investment at all. So that's all I want to talk about in this video. If you guys did like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. So feel free to join our Discord, ask questions there. I'll try to answer whenever I can, or other people can answer. That's the point of having that Discord, to have a community. It's free, so don't worry about paying anything. I'm not here to charge you guys for anything. Use the links in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. You can sign up with Robinhood as well. And you can follow me on my personal Instagram at The Intelligent Investor. Ask me personal questions if you guys want to have a one-on-one where I can actually help you out a little bit more personal. So thank you guys for watching it, and I will see you guys next time.